this morning, this survey finding the majority of Tennessee voters of all party affiliations think abortion should be legal to protect the life and health of the mother. Nicole Smith joins us to explain the results released less than an hour ago.
Hey, good morning, Neil. The survey by Vanderbilt University included responses from more than 1,000 registered Tennessee voters. Governor Bill Lee signed a law to soften the state's strict abortion ban a bit. The Republican had previously said it did not need changes. The revised law still does not include exceptions in the cases of rape or incest, but does allow doctors to use reasonable medical judgment when determining an abortion is necessary to prevent the death of a pregnant patient or to prevent irreversible severe impairment of a major bodily function. Lawmakers also clarified that doctors may provide abortion services for ectopic pregnancies and miscarriages. So here's what the Vanderbilt Poll revealed from its 1,000 respondents. 65% of Tennesseans think abortion should be illegal after 15 weeks. 82% of registered voters think abortion should be legal in Tennessee if it would prevent the death or serious health risk of the mother. This includes a majority of voters of all party affiliations.
The state is very much pro-life, but it's not absolute pro-life. There are some exceptions, and there's also a belief that if somebody is helping an individual get an abortion in another state, that's not something that should be, a cause for criminal proceedings. So, again, the state's a little bit more moderate than you'd think based on some of the actions of our representatives in the state legislature.
Poll revealed that at a rate of 3-1, Tennesseans oppose the idea that a person should be charged with a crime if they help a Tennessee citizen get an abortion in another state. We'll have the complete survey results at WKRN.com.